All right, certainly has been a warm week here this week. On Monday, we're into the upper 70s, at least a few degrees warmer than we should be. But then we made it into the 80s and haven't looked back since. And it will be even warmer this weekend with those temperatures climbing into the upper 80s, possibly even some low to mid 90s around the region. With the recent warmer weather, temperatures kind of getting closer to the average mark, but we're still half a degree below average. Precipitation running a surplus of almost 1.5 inches. This is, of course, about the 14th or 15th wettest start to any June on record, at least through the first 12 days of the month. Winds will still be a little bit breezy, but they do calm down a bit tonight as the storms drift off to the east. This weekend it will be warmer. There will be some afternoon and early evening thunder showers. And then looking ahead, our temperatures are going to be warming up into the end of next week, but a little more unsettled Monday night and Tuesday. We'll have more on that in the 7-day in just a second. But again, tonight, most of the showers and storms that are strong, possibly severe, continuing to drift off to the east. As that happens, our skies close to home here in southeastern Wyoming will be clearing out, and temperatures will be falling down into the low and mid 50s here. So that's at least a few degrees above the average overnight low. 5:26 is the sunrise tomorrow morning. Sunset is at 8:33. We are 1 week away now from the summer solstice. That is next Friday, June 20th. And of course, the sun will be shining right over the Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees latitude north. So that signifies summer solstice and beginning of summer in the northern hemisphere, at least astronomically speaking. 86 tomorrow, though, 10 degrees above the average. We'll top out at 86 on Sunday. Again, some spotty showers and thunderstorms for both Saturday into Sunday afternoon. Again, a better chance of maybe ruining a couple of barbecues outside into the afternoon, but it shouldn't be too widespread. So warmer weather from the 18th to the 22nd region-wide. Also looks like we're going to be drier during that time period. And again, fast forwarding to tomorrow afternoon, most of the afternoon thunderstorms a little more organized into western Nebraska. That's where we expect to see that wind and hail potential. Kind of see a couple showers trying to pop here over southeastern Wyoming, but the threat remains pretty minimal. Again, anything that develops will be quieting down overnight, and then another isolated threat into the afternoon of Sunday. That's where we expect to see most of the rain, possibly 1/4 to 1/2 inch, where some of the stronger thunderstorms develop, or at least more organized. Temperatures tonight falling into the 50s. From Lusk to Agate, and Shadow will be at 60, but 52 in Cheyenne and some 40s farther west near Laramie. 80s for that daytime high with some spotty showers and storms. Again, the thunder threat will be a little bit greater into parts of western Nebraska both Saturday and Sunday. As we look out into next week, Monday night into Tuesday brings a little bit better chance of more widespread rain, and because of that, our temperatures will be a little cooler.